Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. Seems like I'm getting a cold today, but I didn't have much time to make a video this week, so I took some old footage that I had from Florida, where I used to live, east of Sarasota, Mayaca State Park. I had my Weber MTR and an unfed antenna, and I stayed there for about a week without any. It was primitive camping, basically. And I had the opportunity to talk to my friend Ray, who helped me out there. I was even able to send him a message at the end of my stay to call for a friend to come and pick me up at a certain time. So it was pretty cool. The quality isn't very good, but I thought it might still be interesting for you guys to see that. It's going to be in a second video that I'm going to upload pretty much at the same time. I wanted to make a channel update, tell you guys of future plans and what's going on here. I signed up for patreon.com. It's a site that allows creators of videos or anything else to get a bit of help from their subscribers, because making those videos takes a lot of time, and I have to buy most of the gear that I test. I've had companies, of course, like Chameleon Antennas, EA3GCY, Midway Electronics, myantennas.com, I might be forgetting some, sending me stuff for testing, and that's great, and I thank them for that, but I still have to pay for a lot of that stuff. So I'm not asking for charity, but consider it, paying for entertainment and good information, I hope. I will take this opportunity to ask manufacturers to please, if you have any product that you would like to have evaluated, tested, reviewed, send them to me, contact me, and I will take them to the field and use them. And that could very well help you to, of course, get exposure, but also pinpoint some areas of your product that might need improvement or anything like that. So you can't ask me to be nice though, and so far nobody has, fortunately, because I will be objective, and if something is wrong with the product, I will say so. I'm not out to destroy products. I will just point things that I think can be improved, and that's it. But I will not lie or hide defects or anything like that. That's a no-no. We have more than 2,400 subscribers now, and of course by the time you see this video it might be much more than that. So I still have a bunch of stuff to do before the spring, because when the sun comes back I'll be operating outside and I won't have much time again for kits or anything like that. So I still have to box up the MFT40 from EA3GCY. I still have some work to do on my Weber Soda Pop, and I have to box up the QCX for 80 meters so that I can take all those radios out and operate them. I do want to get some stuff from QRPguys.com, unfed antenna, Kia, and I don't remember what else, but that I have to pay for, so I try to contact them, but nothing. I want to build a new large HF magnetic loop. I want to also build a Yagi Uda antennas, directional antennas for a UHF handheld, so that you have your handheld and you can point your antenna in a certain direction. I want to get a dual band DMR radio. I want to also work on a cross band repeater, which is going to be, listen to this, airborne, using an ultralight aircraft, because I'm a pilot also. I don't know if you've heard also, but there is a rumor again that Yaesu is going to be unveiling the FT818 in August. Apparently the FCC has received some documentation about the radio. So this time it looks like it's not vaporware, it looks like there is a real FT818 coming out. So I would very much like to get one of those to review and test in the field and do all kind of stuff with. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to buy one, but I will certainly try. I hope they will have found a solution for the current problem of the AT817ND, which is the only reason why I didn't buy one so far, is that it has a pretty high current draw, around 400 milliamps, 450 milliamps maybe on receive. which is quite a bit for a portable radio. Of course, today we have better batteries, and they might have chosen to use a longer lasting battery inside the case. That still leaves the problem of recharging a higher capacity battery. So hopefully they'll have a much lower current draw. If it's below 200 milliamps, thumbs up. We'll see. That's the first thing I'm going to check in the specs, that's for sure.